This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have an extreme emergency update for Bitcoin. Guys, hit the like button. This is extremely important. We're going to talk about the potential on the daily. On the daily, a new pattern has formed, a potential triple bottom. We're going to discuss that. In addition, the inverse head and shoulders. I have to talk about the possibility for the bottom formation. Now, it's going to require momentum. You guys know that. But looking at the textbook definition, let me bring this up. Look at the triple bottom, guys. It is beautifully demonstrated right now on the Bitcoin daily chart. It's going to require momentum. You know that. We're going to need to get up and over right now. We are at that 20 exponential moving average. That green line 50 is incoming. Top line Bollinger Band would be in the way there before. We do have the momentum on the daily, and I'm going to go through some VIP returns. I want to let you guys know we're about to go through those. In terms of this 50 threshold on the RSI, the 50, guys, just pay attention. The 50 RSI on the daily needs to flip, and buyers need to power through if this is going to maintain as a triple bottom. Just mark my words, guys. That 50 on the RSI is going to need to be busted through. We do have positive momentum right now. Let's dig into the details, and I want to shout out to the VIP. The trade day over the last several hours was really amazing. We caught the bull flag. Boom, in the back. That's VIP trading. What is going on, guys? Look at the specific feature of the fan formation. Each and every step of this, guys, is a long to a short, long to a short, long to short, long to short, and boom, guys, walking up those stair steps. Beautiful price action. I want to shout out, first of all, to Vlad. Welcome back, Vlad. Vlad's been, I guess, on vacation. Look at the way he comes back in. 1,725% on ETH. Way to go, Vlad. 375%. Vlad, you're killing it. 171%. We just want to shout out to you, Vlad. We are so excited in VIP to have you here. Boom. And Vlad's back in the house, guys. Welcome back. Now, in addition to the other trades, guys, Freddie was rocking and rolling. 163% on a long, 89%, 82%. Here's a trade for $19,700. It was a big day, guys. Bean is chiming in from overseas while on vacation. 179%. Freddie, another 214. And look at J-Mac with 167%. Those are our traders, guys. That's the way we roll. That's VIP. Now, let's get into the details. I want to talk some technicals, and I hope that this is a very informative TA kind of debrief here. Instead of streaming, I want to make sure that everybody gets this specific video. Now, first of all, the fan feature. I believe that you understand the fan feature. That's I'd say number one to review, the fan feature. Number two would be the channel formation to the upside. Okay, that'd be number two. The fan, the channel framework to the upside, the blue. Okay, this fan feature here, we would say that's maybe the first and foremost in terms of your trades. It's been knocking trades out of the ballpark, guys. So in terms of that, the most, I'd say the third feature. Let's say the third feature that I want to cover are the Fibonacci targets to the downside. Number three. Then the Fibonacci targets, boom, to the upside. So in terms of that, I want to stream and make sure all of you get, a good time in terms of streaming, but let's go through this information real briefly. I appreciate all of you. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owners. You guys know, non-SEC private and not financial advice. We're currently at that 23.6. You guys know the 20,634 drawn from the low to the high on the candle wicks. We are right at that top level fib. Orders are waiting below at the 38.2. You guys know this. Orders at the 50 at the golden pocket, 76.86, and the full retracement. In terms of the feature here, I want to discuss something very important. We'll go through the fan in just a few seconds, but this specific extension is really nice right now. Pay attention to this, guys. Let's recreate the extension so that you know exactly where we're at. In terms of this, let's choose the Fibonacci trend-based extension. In terms of additional VIP, guys, if you're looking to join, it's time. Look at this specific low. Let's draw from the low. Click 1 with your extension tool. Fibonacci extension under the pitchfork. Click 1 is the low. We want to measure this entirety of the move, the entirety of this specific move here. Click 1, click 2 is at the top, then click 3 right in line with the bottom. Just look at this, guys. Click 1 at the bottom, 2 at the top. 3, drag it down to this bottom. I want to measure the entirety of this move. What percentage have we recompleted? That's the question. As we would look at the Fibonacci extensions, they're telling us we've just grazed right into that golden pocket level. Hugely important. As I refine these lines just a touch, we're just right on, guys. It's a razor's edge, but right at that golden pocket. That means that 65% of the entirety of this move has been repeated thus far. The 100% would take us up to that top level resistance. Very important, guys. The 100% would essentially take us to that top level resistance to formulate either that triple bottom or, yes, on the candle wicks, we have the differentiation, we have contrary, we have competing patterns, I'll say. We have that on the daily. Let's look at this. Very important, guys. Very important that we'll cover the fan, we'll cover some additional features, but on the daily line, look at this, guys. She squares away pretty well, doesn't she? Yeah, it looks pretty nice, guys. In terms of that specific potential triple bottom, a slight angle to the upside, but the technical conformance is there. However, on the candle wicks, we're still looking at the bear flag. I have to say, we're still looking at the bear flag. Momentum by the buyers could change the story. You guys know that. Momentum could change this story. So, in terms of this upside move here to the golden pocket, exciting that we had these formulated Fibonacci extensions in the back. Way to go, VIP. You guys know that. We were looking at those extensions from the low to the high, the preceding move up to that golden pocket. Way to go, guys. Now, in terms of the Fib retracements, you guys know, just click from the low, click to the high of this immediate interval. We're right on target as we speak. Those Fibonacci, guys, targets, they're the standard of the industry. That's why we use them. Going back through to the fan, I want to discuss some of the parameters, just hugely important as we talk about each and every level of the fan. The 15-minute time frame is the strongest element, I think, to look at, guys. That 15-minute time frame is just a beautiful time frame to look at for this fan process. Just look at the number of trades. Let's focus in on this. I said this would be the first thing that we would cover. We will cover one thing, though. Let's talk about this. And I'd like to stream, get everybody involved, etc. But I want to make sure that everybody gets a good look at this video. I just really do. I do want to note that we have a downside target. You guys know how we target? Absolutely. We do have a downside target. Now, what do we need to get us to our target? We need a pattern to get us to our target. Bottom line. We were trading this specific feature today, the fan. We were trading it, guys, the last 48 hours solidly looking at this. Look at each and every stair step of this, guys, a long to a short, and it's just textbook. If you don't know what fans are, please dial into VIP. Hugely important. This specific bull flag that we caught the backbone, guys, set off fireworks in terms of trades, was very, very nice. Now, we did traject up and over. This smaller move in here was that bull flag. Let's zoom in and recreate this just for a moment. We really did traject to the upside. There's the bull flag, and you'll see this. Let's look at the parallel line function. Hope you guys are having a great start to your weekend. It's going to be a good one. Another good one in terms of trading. You see that bull flag that we caught. Boom. Nice move to the upside. Bitcoin has continually provided, guys, strong patterns every day. That's a 1.61%. Guys, that's beautiful price action. Now, what she didn't do is she didn't maintain price up and above this specific level of resistance, right? We set a new level of the fan, but yeah, we ran out of momentum. Now, we were worried about that. We can look at the different time frames, but we were worried about running out of momentum. Let's take a look at the specifics on the 4-hourly. The 4-hourly momentum is the most discouraging right now, or in need of the most attention on behalf of the bulls. Now, we noted this when she was just starting to roll over. And guys, pay attention. Look at her roll over on price. Absolutely in the back, and that's the benefit of VIP. Guys who are back there, way to go, guys. What's up? We're hitting it, guys. It's a great year so far as we build VIP in 2022. Looking at this light bar that has just appeared, this rollover feature of that 4-hourly. I'll say the daily is still looking strong. We're still solidly in, I'd say, in a bullish respect thus far. We would appreciate, of course, some amplitude, a real wave to come into the mix. As we look at the comparatives here, these are real waves, right? Real moves to the upside. That was around 35 to 45,000. These moves here, boom, boom, boom. Those were big, big moves. So we're going to need that specific momentum to kick in. And I'm going to tell you guys, the key feature that I am looking at, and you know this, the RSI on the daily. I need this to be over 50. I need buyers to come into the equation, and this is going to be the difference. It's going to be the litmus test. The RSI over 50 on the daily. Without a doubt, guys, it is just watch. It's important. We need that RSI over 50. In terms of where we're heading, guys, I'm going to tell you we're going to be trading. In terms of the fan, I'll let you know the extent to which we even hit the downside Fibonacci targets is going to be dependent upon the momentum. So I'm really keen on momentum recently. We're looking at our downside target. I just want to express the fact, guys, that there's a lot going on technically. If it seems overwhelming, guys, that's why we have the back rooms. You guys know this. That's why we're in the back all day long covering all of this information, right? Just hugely important. And I just want to shout out to the VIP, and I want to let you guys know, if you're not in the trade group yet, this is the #1 trade group. Hit the link next to Texas. Join the top level of membership. After you join, I want to let you know, hit the first pin tweet, put I am VIP, boom. Guys, I'll let you in the back, and we will get you in the winner's circle. We're waiting on a few to join, and this is what I'll say, guys. We're looking for additional pattern development. I have an order right here with a stop loss. I'm letting you know at the 23.6, I do have a position, an order that is engaging right now. It's a bit tenuous because we're on this level of support of the specific framework of the channel feature, right? And to the extent that we've reached a maximum of Elliott wave, guys, if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, an extended 5, if she wants to further extend the 5, that would be fantastic. It's really going to take some muscle, and I'd say a redraw on this specific fan feature to that top flat line. Okay, once we start to head up on a fan, things can slightly change. We would not mind at all, just to let you know, we would not mind at all looking at the specifics of a potentially something along the lines of this. You guys see something along the lines of a move to the upside and a bullish feature, i.e. a flag. Give us something to trade. VIP will trade it. You guys know that. We're really excited about this new development. I'm going to call this a new development in terms of a potential triple bottom, guys, a potential triple bottom on the daily. That 20 exponential moving average is going to be critical to beat the top line of the Bollinger Band. Is also in play with the 50 exponential moving average above. We have set a candle over the specific Bollinger Band. Many traders will target this top Bollinger Band now, being on the other side of that 20, the pink line of the Bollinger Band. Watch this Bollinger Band. Watch the 50 level on the RSI daily, guys. We're going to need to traject up and over. I know for a fact that the orders are waiting below and that we are prepared to trade. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. It's never been such a pleasure as when we're building the #1 trade group, and that's what we're doing in 2022. I have to shout out again to Vlad, my man. What's up, brother? What's going on? It's so nice to have you back, and we know that you're going to be killing it in the back. We're so excited, brother. What's going on? That's VIP. Let's go. We'll talk to you guys soon. This is London. We'll try and stream tomorrow. Thanks for the extended patience during this stream, but guys, we're going to get it. We'll talk to you soon. This is London. Bye-bye.